Dreaming about your tropical all-inclusive vacation to lovely Punta Cana, Dominican Republic? Watch this video to learn the mandatory entry requirements called the e-ticket immigration form, so you will not be denied entry into the Dominican Republic. This video will walk you through step by step how to complete this document online to grant you access to enter the Dominican Republic and also to exit the Dominican Republic. This form must be filled out by all passengers, whether Dominican or foreign, entering or leaving the Dominican Republic. How to fill out your Dominican Republic's e-ticket form. This will be a step-by-step process. What to do. You'll go to the e-ticket official website to generate the e-ticket. You'll actually then log in. It's going to then ask you if you're creating a new e-ticket or from a previous e-ticket. You're going to fill out all the general information that's required. The migratory information for immigration. You're going to fill out the information for customs, some questions. It's going to ask you, would you like to exit? You're going to say yes. Once you exit, it will then generate a e-ticket with a barcode. You will need that then to enter the Dominican Republic. I am asked all the time, is it worth going to Punta Cana? Yes, the beaches in Punta Cana are spectacular, but this region boasts so much more, filled with unique history, culture, art, and friendly locals. There is truly so much more to Punta Cana than what meets the sand. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and share, and we will see you in the Dominican Republic very, very soon.